Hi, this is Lynn Langit here with All Things Data, and tonight I'm going to show you a preview of something that I've been working on from Google that's still in a limited preview, so I believe you have to request access, but they are running some customers on production, so I wanted to show it to you. So this is called Google Compute Engine, and it's basically Google's offering of virtual machines running on their cloud infrastructure. They announced this last year in the summer at their annual conference, Google I/O, and I've been on the limited preview for a while. And you can see here, if you go to developers.google.com, you can sign up, and once you explain to them why you want to work with this. And what it basically is Linux virtual machines running on their infrastructure. Now, the most interesting thing about this implementation is this line right here: get up to 50% more compute for your money than other leading cloud providers. Now, of course, this is hotly contested, and at Google I/O last year they showed a pretty compelling demo of sequencing a human gene sequence, I guess, very, very fast because of running on their own infrastructure, both the connectivity and the compute. So just to give you a bit of a preview to show you how this works, once you get approved, the quickest way to understand it is to work with their tools and library. There's this concept of a project in all of Google's cloud APIs, and once you have a particular project, so if I say here, for example, Test Lin, and if I wanted to look for Google Compute Engine, the easiest way is to go over here to Google Cloud Platform, and then I would have to request access. So I've already done this, so I can show you what it's like to spin up a VM. So here's Google Compute Engine project. I go to Google Compute Engine, and this brings up information. I have up to 8 instances, and to start an instance, I just click Create New Instance, give it a name, and I'll call this, I'm in North Carolina, so North Carolina Test, and Test, and I have to have all lowercase here. And this is generating code down at the right, which is in a REST request kind of a format. And then I can specify what location. Right now there's data centers in US and Europe. So I'm going to go US East, and then there are specific machine configurations, and I can scroll down. I can say images, so on and so forth, and associate other services. And I'm going to say create instance. Now I'm going to note the time. It's 10:39 p.m. Eastern Time, and one of the things that I've noticed about this, you can see this is live, that the spin-up time of these Google VMs is quite impressive. I've been using this other demo that the Google team wrote, and it was taking literally seconds to spin up instances. You can see it was under 1 minute. So pretty exciting stuff. I'll be really interested to follow along with what Google's doing as they continue to make this available. Also, I'm recording a series of courses on Google Cloud for Pluralsight. So if you're a Pluralsight subscriber, I'm recording actually my next course right now on Google Compute Engine talking about the APIs. So I just wanted to give you a little preview to see what Google's doing with virtual machines, and this is where you get information about all their developer APIs, developers.google.com. So this is Lynn Langit for All Things Data, and this was a little introduction to Google Compute Engine. Thank you.